Hi, welcome to this introduction to Vectorworks, and this will be probably the last in this little series. Okay, we've gone through all of this. Let's draw some stuff. All right, so here's our little drawing, and the first thing that I want to talk to you about is if you don't like what you drew, you can click on the object. No, let's click on the object. I'm going to go to my pointer tool, click on the object, and I can hit delete, and it goes away, right? Control Z will back us up, right? So here's our object. Again, you can just click on something to delete it. Now we talked about our basic tool palette up here being really important, and it is. If I want to draw a line, if you hover over this icon here that looks like a line, click on it, select the first point, and now you can see that I'm dragging around where I want that line to go. Now, I am snapping, but we'll get into more about snapping, but you'll see it starts to want to go to a common angle, whether it's horizontal or vertical or at 45 degrees. And then if I click again, I have now drawn that line. Let's draw a few other things. If I go down a little bit further in my basic tool palette, I have a rectangle. Drawing a rectangle, you define the first corner, and I've released my button, and I'm just dragging my mouse around, and I can draw a rectangle or a square, right? And I draw that shape. If I want to draw a circle, probably by default will do it center and then do a radius, so I can define how big that circle is, right? And these are just some simple shapes, and we haven't talked about scale or size or anything. But you can draw an oval, and an oval is defined basically by a rectangle that defines that oval, right? And we can do arcs, and there are all kinds of different tools here to draw various shapes. So, and again, if you don't like something that you've done, all you have to do is select it and hit delete, and it will go away. And that's just the basics of being able to put some shapes into the drawing space. And we will go through a lot more about tools and how to manage them and how to manage size and scale. All right, lovely. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you later.